everyone, how are you today? In this video, we are going to create another small project about text box and text box string and string. I do like this and string, and also this is the okay. So we're gonna go with save it here. Um, text box string and string. So in this project, we learn how to use with TextBox and String. Okay, so create. Right. Again, we have this Windows form. So from the command control, I'm gonna create a button, and I'm gonna add text box. Double click again, or want to click here, and also I'm gonna add label. So label text box string and another label. Actually, I have two labels. Okay, so I have this one here, this one here. I'm gonna create a bigger button a little bit, and I'm gonna bigger text box. All right, so in the text box, right click properties. Here we're gonna go. We have nothing now, okay, and we are going to name it. Is the text something appear in the space? We're not doing something here. We're going to empty, and let me do some stuff. Okay, the name, maybe I say txt name. Okay, txt name. All right, and in the label, I'm gonna go in the name of the label, text enter or input your name. So enter your name. Then I'm gonna this one I'm gonna call click here or submit. Okay, submit. Okay. So and then I wanna here label 2. I'm gonna name it label 2. This one label 2. Name. I'm not going to text name. I'm gonna call LPL. Thank you. Thank message. Message MCH. Okay. All right. So my goal. Anyone input the name here. Anyone input the name. Then if I click in this one, and then I say thank you, whatever name. So let's do this one. So I'm gonna double click in the submit. So you're gonna generate the code that behind us, behind the scene for us. So I'm gonna say I want to read the data. So when someone run here, and I put, for example, my name, Tariq. So I did submit, should be say, thank you, Tariq. Thank you, Tariq, okay? So also I can do this like this. Leave this now, label 2. So I'm gonna go to the code here. So I need to read the data from this one, from the text box, whatever you input here, and type it to label 2, okay? So I'm gonna say, the best way, we can do this different way. For example, LPL thank you message will equal thank you and plus text name dot text. So the text label dot text here. Okay, we have error here. Why? See, You cannot implicitly convert string to label. Oh, dot text, sorry, dot text. So the text will be dot text, okay? So now let us run this one, okay? So first of all, you have a label here. When you run the code, you have a label. Yes, we did the previous lab, I think number 2 or 3. We can make it invisible or visible, okay? So this is one solution. The other solution, let me do Tariq. Now my name Tariq here. Submit. Thank you, Tariq, okay? So this is one way. So, but still we have a problem here. This one have a label too. I can do something like that. If I double click in the form, so I have a LPL thank you message dot text will be equal empty, meaning when the form load, I double click on the form, observe that. When the form load, that will be clear. Click here. See, now clear. Now I say, for example, Tariq, submit, thank you, Tariq. Okay. So also what we did here, we immediately put the data that come from this one, from the text name to the label. Okay. There is another way to do that. I'm gonna comment out. There's another way to do that, which is something I would like to use it. So I can do string name. I declare here, create a variable type string. And the green here, they told me because we never use this one. Now then the name will be equal, any data will equal text dot name dot text. So any data from text. Now the label LPL thank you message dot text will equal thank you, comma, and plus name. Okay. So we have a variable here. We have variables called name, and this variable will read the data from the text box, and then we put the name in this one. Let us run this one. Example now, Tariq, submit, thank you, Tariq. So we have two ways to do that, either by reading from this data to the label immediately, or we do this one. This one more professional. We use it a lot, okay? And also in the clearing the text with the load when the you load in format, okay? Thank you so much. That's it for this lab. That's all.